as I'm reorganizing and changing my studio, I just started thinking back on all the people that helped grow this channel Double Odes to what it is today. So many people that have put in lots of effort during the tour that I did in 2020, 2021 with my family, people that took us in, people that provided us with accommodation, food, and many other things that we needed to travel the country and have the more than 300 meetings that we ended up having. And it's just because of the people of South Africa that we could do that. And today I specifically thought of those people, many of them who haven't been named publicly, and they don't want to be named publicly. But I also thought of the people that have passed on, that have moved on to a place where they understand a lot more than we do at the moment, things we can only think about, guess about. Their intelligence has that knowledge, and I don't want to say that I'm jealous of that, but I look forward to the day that I can also have that insight. And I want to thank those people, even after they have passed on, for their contributions, not only to this community, but towards the fight for humanity, towards a fight for humanity to remain organic, not to be a machine, not to be connected via a wire, not to be connected to anything mechanical, but remain organic without it being manipulated, etc., by people that stand to benefit in some way by making us less authentic. Us as humans here on this planet, we are here for a very specific purpose. We were put here for a purpose. And many people look at that in a religious way, the way of man, subversive, etc. I try my best to look at it through the evidence that I can see around me and the uniqueness of being human, even with all the problems that comes with having a normal organic body that can feel pain, physical pain, mental pain, heartache, all of those things. That makes us unique. It makes us special. The fact that we love, the fact that we want families, the fact that we are willing to stick with one person and raise a family because of that, and being able to create, make things that nothing else on this earth can make at the moment. And that makes us unique. And I want to hold on to that uniqueness. And most of the people in this community want that too. The people that have passed on want that too. So in memory of those people and all those that are in the fight right now, I want to firstly say thank you and tell you that I will do my utmost best from my side with my limited capabilities to do everything I can to help ensure that organic humanity remains. And I hope you are with me. Thanks so much. Till the next video.